you were talking about different ways that you can send a recipe to us. When you click on if you wanted to print this recipe, it will come up. It saves it. You can see here it saves as a PDF, and then we'll wait for that to load. And so here you can see it allows us to see exactly how much of what different types of grain you want and where all the hops are, and we will bag it up based on the recipe if you would like. And just attach this to an email. That's the easiest way. You can also export or share a recipe and copy that if you like, but it has to be a public recipe. And the other way you can do it is if you go to brew, and then you can print a shopping list if you like, and this will just give you the total amounts of ingredients that you need. So you can see that it's grouped all of the hops together, and if you wanted to save a bit of money, you could do it this way, but then you would have to weigh each addition out.